Namaskar, this is Niyamika and welcome back to my channel. I hope apnalo hokolu bhale ase. As you can see, I am in my ghar ka clothes today because today I'm going to do a fun challenge video. So it's going to be a blindfolded dress up challenge. So and if you guys remember Arpita, jar logon moi twin outfits video to shoot korisilu. She's going to help me with this video. She's going to like pick whatever she wants. Aru kapur khini tai nijor dhorone rakhibo hojabo, then I have to pick from that. And main challenge would be that like jikhini kapur or jikhini pieces moi select korim, moi make sure ki tinta outfits tarpa tinta outfits moi banabo lagibo, moi create koribo lagibo, tinta looks create koribo lagibo. So I think that would be a challenge because blindfolded moi ki choose korim, I have no idea about that, but I thought it's gonna be fun and I'm hoping that it's gonna be fun. So yes, without wasting more time, let's start the video. So guys, here I am blindfolded as you can see, and I promise I won't cheat. So now I'm going to hand over this camera to Arpita because she's gonna do all these things. So yeah.
Hey guys, moi Arpita aru apnaloke dekha paise fale moi sob tar kapur khini dom kori yat thoi disu aru tai fale bohi ase ro 1 minute dekhai disu eya. Hi. So moi prothomote tai top bor hojailom tolot aru tai tar bhitor duta choose koribo lagibo aru tai hatere subo nwaribo karon jehetu etu tai nijor dress na, so gom pai jabo pare. So etia hok ami kapur khini hojailo. So guys, etia kapur khini mur hojua hoy gol, etia tai choose koribole loi ahwa hok.
Hey guys, so moi eta choose koribole ready. I don't know ki choose korim. Hopefully bhal pieces jota man ahile hoy aru. Okay, this now.
Duta. Ar besi hata pai na hobo de.
Okay. I don't know. So I guess choose kora hol.
Oh,
now
etia bole thibo pare. Duta hoy gol.
Okay.
So guys, tai top choose kora hoy gol, etia pant skirt aru jiji ase moi sob thoi dim aru duta man logote duta man mane dress u thoi dim jate tai karone aru olop challenging hok. So sao etia ki hoy. Guys, etia mur hojua hoy gol, ahok taik loi ahu.
Done, right? So let me open this.
Kene
Oh God, मुझे तो सच्ची में दिन में तारे नजर आ रहे हैं. So guys, I think choose and all kori hoi goise. I'm really nervous right now, and basically baki bor bikhe footwears or accessories definitely I will choose them. Hebrew blindfolded korim, don't worry. But first of all, I want to see these pieces because I have to create 3 looks, right? So it's gonna be challenging, hopefully, and let's see. So bring the pieces. Okay, it's a dress. I don't know. Skirt. Okay, I can see some possibilities, but let's see.
shirt.
And fourth one?
Top.
All the pieces are black, my God. What I'm gonna do, like seriously, look at these pieces. Okay, let me just So guys, jehetu moi 4 ta piece choose korilu and sadly or I don't know, luckily I got only black pieces, so definitely try koribo parim, definitely looks keman create hobo. Aru jehetu skirt ase, so prothomte moi skirt or pai start korim, jehetu you guys know that I love skirts. So yeah, so first look to create korim, then baki bor accessories try korim. So guys, for my first look, definitely jehetu skirt and top to paisu, so I'm gonna pair these two. So moi ei top to aru skirt to pindhisu. I don't know, wait, don't worry, moi bhalke look to definitely dekham. So etia next challenge to hoise my footwear to choose korar. So yes, now let's move on to my next challenge. So guys, I think more footwears and bags choose kora hoy gol, but I think it's gonna be too long. So but just to shorten this video, what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna wear my hoops, jitu moi golden hoops to ase hetu ke pindhim, aru dholok khub beshi neck pieces jodi duta ta change korbo hebor definitely choose kore bole iman doesn't make any sense. But I think I'm done with my, you know, choosing and all. Okay, I got this one. Wow. Everything is okay, whatever it is, but yeah, black. I got this one and black. But anyways, it's okay. I got my sneakers and I got this one. This bag looks really classy, so I don't mind at all. So already moi ja jekhini kapur and all choose kora hoy gol. So yeah, etia moi final looks ni apnalokor agar reveal koribole ready hoy golu. So guys, these are my 3 looks out of these pieces, and I hope apnaloke jate video to bhal paise. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you guys can tell me what kind of videos you wanna watch, or like ভিডিও আইডিয়াজ বা যিকোনো ভিডিও আইডিয়াজ আপোনালোকে ৰেন্ডমলি সাজেষ্ট কৰিব পাৰে যে এনি স্পেসিফিক কিবা আছে যদি ইউ ক্যান ডেফিনেটলি টেল মি সো ইয়া দ্যাটস অ্যাবাউট ইট এন্ড I hope you really enjoyed it because I actually had so much fun. And yeah, that's about it, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.